Hey, good morning. It is Monday, March 15th. Hopefully, everybody had a great weekend. Test last week was pretty solid, like usual. There were a few lower scores, and I believe that some of that is due to um, watching the videos, right? The stuff that we're doing now is new. You haven't seen a lot of it, so it's going to be very important that you review the videos and watch those. Make sure you're keeping up on all that, taking notes, practicing the problems as you go along. Um, this week is the last week of the trimester, and we're going to have two new grades. We're going to start today and tomorrow working on chapter 1 to 4 review in Schoology. It's longer, it's 40 questions, nothing's new. It's all questions that you've had before. So you can use your notes, you can use your book, you can work with classmates if that's okay with your teacher to review chapter 1 to 4. All right. We're not going to start anything new this week. Monday and Tuesday we'll do chapters 1 to 4, and then Thursday and Friday we'll do chapters 5 to 7. And that'll just be one assignment from 1 to 4, one assignment from chapter 5 to 7, and you'll have 2 days each to work on those. Remember, the end of the try is Friday, so everything is due. The Alex minutes from last week will be on there. The chapter 1 to 4 review in Schoology, and then the chapter 5 to 7 in Schoology. Also, starting this week, I'm going to change Alex from 30 minutes to 6 lessons per week. And that's because there's more and more of you that are just sitting in Alex and not making any progress. Started out, there was one or two that would just do the 30 minutes and not really progress, but it's grown. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So pause for a minute here. All right, so here's what I mean by that. So this is what I see when I go in um, to Alex, right? And this one right here is a solid, right? 11 topics learned out of 12, and that took a total of 30 minutes. All right, so this student got 30 minutes and they got 11 lessons done. So really, to get 6, it might only take you 10, it might take you 15, sometimes it might take you 30, but you can get it done as long as you're working and progressing. Where this student only did one lesson in 30 minutes, right? 10 lessons in 38 minutes. So it's doable. Um, this student right here only got one lesson done, but I can see that they have spent time doing a knowledge check. Okay, and um, you have to do the knowledge check because that shows where you're at. So on those weeks, it might take you a little bit longer than 30 minutes, but there's going to be weeks where um, it doesn't take you as long, right? So look here, 14 minutes, they got 6 lessons completed. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. So um, starting next week, this student would only get 5 points. Each lesson is going to be worth 5, okay, up to 30 points total for the week. All right, so as you scroll down, you can see that a lot of you are meeting that. But like this student right here, 34 minutes, 0 lessons started, 0 lessons completed. Okay, they'll get credit this week, but not fooling anybody there. Um, but from now on, we're going to change that requirement just so everybody's on the same page. Right here, 5 lessons started, 5 lessons completed. Took them 37 minutes, so it took them a little bit longer. This student right here would get 15 points, even though they worked 30 minutes. They only got 3 lessons done. Um, so they would get 15 points for that. All right. If you have questions on any of that, please let me know. I hope you have a great day. You can get started in Schoology. Probably going to want your book out just to be able to check back to the different lessons that you're doing from 1 to 4. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.